The sun is getting louder. Not literally, but something is happening up there that wasn't supposed to happen this soon. Over the past few months, solar activity has surged beyond expectations. Sunspots are multiplying faster than predicted. Solar flares are reaching higher intensities, and massive clouds of plasma are being hurled into space at millions of kilometers per hour. Most of them miss Earth. Most of them. But it only takes one direct hit to change everything. The sun operates on an 11-year cycle. For several years it stays relatively quiet, with fewer sunspots and limited magnetic disruption. Then, activity rises. Magnetic fields twist, tension builds beneath the surface, and eventually that tension snaps. When it does, the sun releases enormous bursts of energy known as solar flares. But flares are only part of the danger. The real threat comes from coronal mass ejections, or a CME can launch billions of tons of superheated plasma into space. In 1859, a powerful solar storm struck Earth. Telegraph systems across the world failed. Operators reported sparks and electric shocks. Auroras were visible near the equator. That event is now known as the Carrington Event. Today, our dependence on technology makes us far more vulnerable. Satellites manage navigation, communication, banking, and weather forecasting. Power grids rely on stable electromagnetic conditions. A strong geomagnetic storm can induce electrical currents in long transmission lines, overloading transformers. These transformers are not quickly replaceable. If enough of them fail at once, parts of the world could lose power. In 2012, a storm comparable to the Carrington Event erupted from the sun and crossed Earth's orbit. Earth simply wasn't there at the time. We had passed that location 9 days earlier. 9 days. If that eruption had occurred slightly sooner, the impact could have been severe. We are currently in solar cycle 25. Sunspot counts are exceeding expectations. Multiple X-class flares have already occurred. Peak activity is expected between late 2024 and 2026. Some researchers believe it may arrive earlier and possibly stronger than projected. Solar observatories watch the sun continuously. When a CME launches toward Earth, we receive a warning. The warning time can be limited. A fast CME can reach Earth in roughly 15 hours. That window allows operators to shut down systems. But forecasting is not perfect. Astronauts in space are more exposed to radiation during major solar events. Future missions to the Moon and Mars must account for this. The sun is not a quiet star. It is a dynamic magnetic engine, constantly storing and releasing energy. Eventually, another major geomagnetic storm will reach Earth. The question is not whether it will happen again, but when. The sun may appear calm when we watch it set each evening, but beneath that calm surface, magnetic forces are constantly shifting. Right now, solar cycle 25 is intensifying. Somewhere on that blazing surface, the next significant eruption is forming. We cannot prevent it. We can only prepare for it. The sun is getting louder, and this time, we're finally paying attention.